This is 2 by 1 multiplexer. We have checked the output waveform. This is 2 by 1 multiplexer. We have checked the output waveform. So what I will do, I will just remove this. Whatever inputs I have given, I will just remove it in order to create symbol. In order to create symbol, all the input sources I am removing. All the input sources I am removing. What I will do is, I will go to label. I will take VDD. I will take VDD. I will put the label VDD over here. Escape. And go to label. I want S is the selection line. Okay. S is the selection line I am putting over here. Escape. One more label. I am taking D0. D0 input signal. That D0 is existing here. That D0 is existing here. Escape. And then one more label D1. D1 input is over here. Escape. D1 input is here. Escape. Okay. And output also. Output of 2 by 1 mux. I am putting label for output of 2 by 1 mux. Escape. Okay. So this is my schematic. This is my schematic. I will save this. Save as 2 1 mux. Okay. 2 1 mux, or what I will do, mux 2 1 or multiplexer. I will write full 2 1. Okay, multiplexer, full name I am giving, multiplexer 2 1. Schematics, .asc means schematics. I am saving this file. I will go to file, new symbol. I am going to file, new symbol. One more window will come. The first window schematic is over here. Now the second window for drawing the symbol for the entire circuit, I am getting file, then new symbol. Okay, so I am getting this window. You right click on this and you have different shapes over here in the draw. I am going to rectangle. I will just take a rectangle symbol. You can use the mouse and just create one rectangle symbol like this. Okay, give a escape button, and from the keyboard you press P, and on the input side I have D0 is the input signal, input side left side. Okay, I will put D0 on the input side. Then again P from the keyboard. D1 is also another input signal, left side it will be, left side it will be. So I will take one more input, D1. Then again P, I have VDD one input on the top, VDD one input on the top, I will connect on the top. Next again P, I have one selection line S which is in the bottom. I will take one selection line at the bottom. Okay, and one more time P, and right side I will have output, right side I will have output, right side, and okay, right side you connect, right side you connect. Okay, I have taken the different pins. Now you can also take a line like this, draw. L means shortcut for line is L. Okay, so you just take this and you use the mouse and just give escape. Again press L from the keyboard and you just connect them. After finishing the ending point, give escape, press L from the keyboard. Otherwise you have to, from the starting point you have to click and drag. Starting point you have to click and drag, ending point also click escape. And output side again L I am pressing, starting point click and drag, starting point click and use the mouse, drag it, and ending point one click and then give escape. And again L from the, for line, L means line, starting point one click, drag with the mouse and ending point, another click, escape button. Okay, this is the symbol. This is the symbol. This is 2 by 1 mux, 2 inputs, 1 selection line, 1 output. VDD is there for every mux we need VDD. Okay, because we have removed it in the schematic, so I am putting here. And now what I will do, I will save this, save as, same name you have to give. Multiplexer 21. Okay, multiplexer 21 is the name of the file, but ASY is the file type, save. File type, save. Okay, so same schematic file name and symbol file name should be exactly same. Okay, so now what will happen, I will go to a new schematic. I need to draw 4 by 1 multiplexer. I need to draw 4 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, so if you go here, you have to select change the path. This is the path. Okay, so here already it is in symbols. You just go to drop down and go over here. 2 by 1 multiplexer 2 by 1. This is our symbol we created just now. Okay, we want 3 2 by 1 multiplexers. 3 2 by 1 multiplexers. Okay, now these are the 3 2 by 1 multiplexers. Escape button. If you zoom in, what we have done, 3 symbols 2 by 1 mux we have taken. We are going to connect a 4 by 1, 3 2 by 1 multiplexers in order to draw a 4 by 1 multiplexer. Okay, so what we have seen is creation of symbol now. Creation of symbol, it is available in our components. When you take a new schematic, okay, and go to components, you have to change the path over here. In general, it will be in the second general components, whatever is there. You have to go to the drop down and change to the LT Spice, and here whatever symbols you have created, it will be available. Multiplexer 21 is the symbol created now, because you can see that symbol we have designed in this fashion only. Okay, this is another one which I tried yesterday. This is this you can see we didn't create now. Okay, so just one symbol I have taken. You can see the same structure we have created using the symbol file. Okay, so I will stop over here, creating symbol in LT Spice for 2 by 1 mux. Initially, you have to draw the schematic, then only you have to remove all the sources, then you go to file new symbol and create the symbol by connecting the schematic and the symbol file.